How to do page numbering in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to add page numbers in your Microsoft Word document, first of all open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop. Now open the document in which you want to add the page number and click on the insert option. Now you have the page number option. From here you first want to decide where you want to put the page number, whether it is at the top of the page or the bottom of the page. Once you have decided the position, you want to select the type of page number you want to put. As you can see, there are different types. Select whichever you want, and now you can find the preview of how the page number is going to look like. Now, if your first page is the cover page and you do not want page number over there, then all you have to do is click on the option of header and footer. Then from here, select the option of different first page. Once you do that, the page number will not be inserted in the first page, but on the second page you can see the page number that starts from 2. That is because the cover page is page number 1. If you do not want to count the cover page as page number 1, then on the page number option, you want to select the option of page number format. This box is going to appear. Here, you want to start from 0. Now click on the OK option. As you can see, the first cover page does not have any page number and the second page starts with page number 1. Now, if you want to remove the page number altogether, then all you want to do is click on the page number option and click on remove page number. Once you do that, the page number will be removed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.